On August 9, 2023, Foothill officers received multiple radio calls, ranging from a hit-and-run traffic collision to a reckless driver driving a government DWP vehicle in the area of Laurel Canyon Boulevard. The suspect, later identified as 28-year-old Manuel Ramirez, was said to be driving a white, full-size sport utility truck, or an SUV. Responding officers searching the area located the vehicle and a pursuit ensued. The driver slowly started picking up more speed. Visibly irritated by police presence, he started to drive more recklessly in an attempt to evade them. Upon exiting, Ramirez drove into a multi-unit business parking lot with no access to passage. He continued up a steep, narrow driveway and rammed through a secured metal gate into a secondary parking lot. With nowhere left to run, and the police blocking his only way out, he did the unexpected.
Your next right. Your next right. He went to this parking lot. Next right, follow it up. I have the vehicle. Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. After coming up that ramp, he's facing your way. He's going down the ramp towards the
ramp. Saying the officers were shocked is an understatement. They soon realized this wasn't going to be an ordinary chase, as Mr. Ramirez clearly had a killer intent. After ramming straight into two police cars, the suspect successfully escaped the situation. Luckily, the officers weren't hurt, but little did they know that the complete lunacy they had just witnessed had only just begun. The officers started chasing the suspect's car on foot. As things started getting more extreme, backup arrived.
I'm all right.
The officers, not wanting to take any more chances, went straight at Ramirez.
Hey, get on the ground! Shots fired! After shots fired! Get on the ground!
The supervisor arrived and took control of the situation. Following protocols well, he attempted to cool things down with his staff and talk to the suspect.
16-120, I'm at scene. I'm going to be instant commander. Suspect is armed with a screwdriver and the screwdriver. Fine. Guys! Stop! We have one person giving commands on this side. One person giving commands. Yeah, I'm telling them they're Tell them we don't want to hurt him. Don't want to hurt him. He just wants to get out.
Trying to get things solved without any further violence, he guided his staff to tackle the matter with dialogue.
I'll take their location and Eden Park. They're going to be on Eden Park.
Grab some less lethal. Just grab some less lethal. Do you have any there? Taser? All right. The car's disabled, bro. It's not going anywhere.
Little did he know that even getting hailed with dozens of bullets, Ramirez was still a threat. The supervisor displayed admirable leadership and made sure that a civilian vehicle stuck in the action was safely escorted to a safe place.
Hey, provide cover for this civilian to get out.
But Ramirez wasn't going down without a crazy fight.
Manuel Ramirez. He's on parole for ADW.
Hey, if we no, not with the shots. Hey, if we start up again, you're primary. Hey, Butler, if he starts to go, Guzman, you're going to be primary.
The chase continued and kept getting more intense.
I need other units to block this side of the parking lot. Hey, bring your car over here. Actually, bring your car over here on this side. Esther, can you move this shop up here? This shop right here if you can.
Stand by. Vehicles moving forward now.
Hey, you're in reverse. Disregard. All the way up here. Hold it. Up here. Watch out. Right here. Stop.
Time to turn the vehicle.
Hey, ¡cállate de la troca!
As the suspect was surrounded again, it appeared that his vehicle was now broken down for good. The LAPD officers opted for the SWAT team to apprehend Ramirez. The SWAT team approached the vehicle in an attempt to remove him from the vehicle for arrest. Ramirez was frantic and extremely agitated, with a fractured leg along with multiple gunshot wounds which he sustained during the encounter. His injuries remained non-life-threatening.
We need to get him on the ground. Let's get him on the ground. You want to get him on the ground?
With literally hundreds of bullets fired at him, he still managed to cause a massive havoc, which remains one of the wildest police chases ever caught on tape and would make anyone question the suspect's mental health. It remains unknown if Ramirez was under the influence of some illicit substances or was simply having a psychotic breakdown. Though things could have gotten much, much worse, the LAPD officers deserve praise for handling the situation effectively and preventing any major injuries or casualties. If you liked this video, be sure to check this one out too.